Good evening, everyone. This is Rubab Atif. I welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of Nikon Talent Hunt ceremony. First of all, I would like to appreciate all the participants who are participating in different competition. We have speech competition, we have skit competition, and Kalam-e-Iqbal competition. I would like to introduce our first judge for speech competition. We are honored to have Ms. Samina Najib. She is from Rifa International University. She had done Masters of Arts in English from University of Karachi. She is also position holder and PhD scholar in English, ABD from Nabal University, Islamabad. She has been the head of English department at Women's Institute of Science, Humanities, Wish campus of Rifa. From June 2014 till now, she is working as a senior lecturer at Rifa International University. We are honored to have our second judge for speech competition, Sir Noman Aftab. He is MA in English Literature and Linguistics from Punjab University. He is the founder of Al-Haytham School of Knowledge located in Rawalpindi. Now he is currently working as the principal of the same school. Dani, he is from again Rifa International University. He is columnist at Nawai Waqt newspaper. He is the founder of Ashiana Theatre. Our third judge, our last judge, Sir Adnan Ali. He is an IT teacher at Nikon Group of Colleges head office. He is the professional Nakwa, and also he has won number of Tetul Loves competition at national level. Now, rules and regulation for our competition. The foremost rule is that your content should be related to your topic, that is English speech competition topic Iqbal Shaheen. Secondly, time is allowed 2 minutes and 30 seconds. First, the bell will ring at 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and again it will ring for the last time 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Third rule is that your arguments, logics, examples should not be political or religion, particularly targeting at someone at all. Paper reading is not at all allowed, so be careful about that. Third rule is that your argument, logics, example should not, and if someone takes more time than the given time, he or she will not get the marks for that. Last but not the least, the decision of the judges will be final. Judges are requested to leave their comments on the pages that are in front of you. Rules for Kalam-e-Iqbal and skit. Time allowed for Kalam-e-Iqbal for participants are 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and time allowed for skit is 4 minutes. If characters are more than 5, then time will be 5 minutes. Thank you very much.